Hi friends, today we are going to make a volcano. To make volcano we need some soil, some water and a bottle to make volcano. To make volcano firstly we mix the soil with water without more loose. Mix the soil well. We mixed the mud well, not loose. Next we take a basin and put a bottle in basin and take the mud and put around it. Shape it well all side. Shape it. Then we can dry the volcano. Our volcano get dried. We want some vinagre, some color, red and yellow. Then we want some baking soda also to burst. Mix well, it become into red color. Then we need some baking soda. Put it into volcano. Now it bursted in red color. Volcano bursted out because of the baking soda. Baking soda contains carbon dioxide. When baking soda mixes with vinegar, reaction releases carbon dioxide, so bubbles come out.